Right? Okay, so this is one rule, right? Eyelet is means this is well tested formula. Eyelet is well tested formula. You have to follow on this order, right? On this order, right? But if you forgot about this, right? Then which will be your first function? The function whose derivative will become zero after few trials, after few derivatives, right? That should be your rule. X square. X square derivative ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦୁଇଥର କାଢିବା ଥରେ କାଢିଲେ 2x ତାପରେ କାଢିଲେ 2 ତାପରେ କାଢିଲେ 0 so it becomes 0 after few derivatives so ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଫଙ୍କସନ୍ କୁ ସବୁବେଳେ u ନିଆଯାଏ ରାଇଟ୍ ଯଦି ଅନ୍ୟ ତମେ ଏଇଟାକୁ ଯଦି ତମେ u ନବ आ डेरिवेटिव केबे भी सरीबनी so yes we will use first function into integration of second function minus dy dx of first function into integration of sin x dx whole into that is x square sin x integration minus cos x minus 2x into sin x integration minus cos x dx right that is minus x square cos x minus 2 power 1 x cos x. Again this is u this is v and the order is set right order is set to move forward right तो ଆମେ ଆଗକୁ ଯାଇପାରିବା order କାହିଁକି set ଅଛି ଆମକୁ highlight ଅନୁସାରେ ଅଛି ତ minus x square cos x minus 2 you start now this is u this is v right the first function u into integration of v minus dy dx of u into integration u x into integration of v whole into dx right that is minus 2 sorry minus x square cos x minus 2 x
सर +2 हबो
कुठे
-2 माइनस और माइनस cos x अछि ना माइनस माइनस प्लस हबो
नहीं लगा इसमें पता लगा रहा है minus 2 minus right plus okay 2 into x sin x minus dy dx of x 1 into cos x integration sin x that is minus x square cos x plus 2x sin x minus sin x plus 2 cos x and sin x integration minus cos x minus minus plus duda gundali or 2 cos x right this is the by parts using by parts formula and you will do this okay. Don't use techniques for entrance and one you have to follow this you have to do this way only technique is fine bye bye tata ସେଇଟା ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେମାନେ interested କିନ୍ତୁ this is the process you have to do in 12th okay this technique use करी right तो x square 5x r डेरिवेटिव करी 2x r integration minus cos x. R derivative 2, R integration minus cos x integration minus sin x. R derivative 0, R integration cos x. Minus of minus sin x, that is cos x, right? भोगो चढ़ाया भोगो plus minus right, it is 0 by तो क्या ना दी 0 by छड़ दे x square minus cos x the minus x square cos x plus 2x sin x plus 2 cos x. Right? असला तो केतल यूज करी सबले यूज करियो नि कहू बारंबार दिस टेक्निक इज एप्लीकेबल काहे कि सेटा को प्लस 2 लेवल रे 1 मार्क भी भूल है कि ध्यान दो वाला एक्सपोनेंशियल सहित तमरो इधर sin नहले cos नहले सॉरी अलजेब्रिक सहित इधर sin नहले cos नहले एक्सपोनेंशियल तेज ताली ओके ये sin 2x दो sin 3x दो anything you can do right यदि sin x रहेगा है तो मुझे हला x square sin 3x right you can also use right that is x square sin 3x बस आ डेरिवेटिव कर लो 2x 2 0 sin 3x minus cos 3x by 3 cos 3x minus sin 3x by 9 r out है integration cos 3x by circle plus minus plus okay बेले बेले
ये ऐसे रहेगा ये फिट लाइक काटना साउथ गुड बाइन दिया हमने पूरा में दोते म्यूट कर
ओके हम क्यों कौन पचारथलो कि कौन पचारथलो मोर सिंपल फंडा जे क्लास रे अनम्यूट हेगिरी बल बल होजन फैमिली जदी हम सुने चाहू तो आई रिमूव आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिमूव्ड 2 स्टूडेंट्स आई डोंट वांट डिस्टर्बेंस हां कि कौन पचारथलो पचार
सर लास्ट cos x तो तळ कोन लिखा है
जानी बुझे कौन करा हो जाई रेडी लेखा ही कौन मुझे लेखी नहीं है नेक्स्ट देखे कौन करा समझ गया है x स्क्वायर cos स्क्वायर x राइट तो बाईपास पकेया पई always try to make it linear always try to make it linear x square तो छाड़ा अच्छी अन्य फंक्शन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन जदि sin cos अच्छी राइट नोट कर दो ताऊ if in bypass करो any integration जो हम cos square x integration पता है राइट तो हम कौन करछे 1 plus cos 2x by 2 करछे sin square x integration पता है राइट तो 1 minus sin cos 2x by 2 करछे same basic is applicable here also but I am just writing a note in bypass if sine and cos are present, try to make it linear degree. Linear. Try to make it linear or degree 1. Degree 1. Using 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Using cos 2x formula or cos 3x, right? Or sin 3x. तो sin 2x दिया है ला तो sin 3x रो फॉर्मूला नो यूज करियो राइट sin 3x माने sin 3 फॉर्मूला 3 sin a minus 4 sin 2a तो sin 2x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. You have to use that, right? So how will you solve this? X square cos square x माने 1 plus cos 2x by 2. That is x square by 2 dx, right? Plus x square cos 2x by 2 dx. That is half x cube by 3 plus half x square cos 2x dx. Okay, अब bypass को करो बर्तन, right? बर्तन bypass को करो. First function into integration of second function. Now it is eligible for bypass. Eligible for bypass. It is not eligible. Sin cos दिया ला मने बेले बेले तो क्वेश्चन में दिया है x sec square x, right? तो क्वेश्चन देखो देखो तमरो गोटे आईडिया हे जाय sec square x रो इंटीग्रेशन आमे जाय, राइट? तो ये सेकंड फंक्शन है जो प्रोडक्ट में, राइट? किछ भांगिया दरकार नहीं, किछ कोरिया दरकार नहीं एठी x into integration of sec square x dx minus dy dx of x into integration of sec square x dx, right? That is x into tan x minus 1 into tan x dx. X into tan x minus ln sec x plus. बेले बेले क्वेश्चन तुमको चकमा दबा वाला बेले बेले आगे वो कर सकते हो x tan inverse x by 1 plus x square, right? तो पूराटा को तुम सेकंड फंक्शन नो, पूराटा को सेकंड फंक्शन नो काहे कि आर इंटीग्रेशन तुम जानछो, राइट? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx प्रथम काट दिए केते हो tan inverse x to t, it implies 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to t. 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. d तो हम पढ़ा से लेंगे t dt, that is t square by 2 plus c, right? That is tan inverse x half tan inverse x square, half tan inverse x square, right? एवला करू हला करिया एटा किन करिया एक्चुअली तो ए होया प्रोसेस तो अच्छे आ देखिए सॉल्व करियो चेष्टा करिया होगी माने आई हैव जस्ट गिवन एन आईडिया हाउ you should broad thinking, that broad thinking, right? While solving your problem, right? So you should not worry if the question is bit looking like difficult. There should be some techniques. So that's why I am telling you, do lots of practice, right? if you will give me any question, I can solve in second, right? Because I have done lots of practice. I am not an intelligent, I am not an extraordinary person, right? You have to practice. Mathematics practice. जार जी mathematics 30 आनी metric pass ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ ମୋ ପାଖରେ 80 ମାର୍କ ଆଣିଛି. You can believe, because he get the test of mathematics, right? He got the test of mathematics, so he can secure it. So 1 by 1 plus x square dx into dt, right? So first function की examine बताना चाहिए. First function into integration of second function. पूरा टाइम नहीं लेंगे, right? Minus d by dx of first function into integration of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx whole into dx. That is x integration कितना है? Half tan inverse x square minus d by dx of x 1 half tan inverse x square d. That is x by 2 tan inverse x minus half tan inverse x square dx. Now it is getting difficult for us to find integration. Since I have created this question on my own, so it is getting difficult, right? So integrations will be given that you can solve, right? I don't know, I'm not trying it here now, because if I'll try to solve it, then you will be in confusion. Okay, so we'll check it later if we can solve it. Okay, we'll try later to solve it, right? So गोटे जिन जानले इधर हमको डायरेक्ट आइलेटर देइथियो नाही तो बेले बेले sin cos तुमको sin 2x cos 2x sin square x cos square x यदि दिया है कि let use the formulas and make it linear, then use by parts. This is type 1 questions of by parts using direct formula, right? Type 2. You don't have class tomorrow and day after tomorrow, okay? Type 2. Type 2 कौन कहले? जदि गोटे ही फंक्शन देखो, if one function is given where we don't have any clue to solve it using exercise A, B, C, D, H, right? Exercise A, B, C, D, H जैसे सब हम पढ़ लेनी तक यूज करिले हमें कौनसी जगह रे जदि इंटीग्रेशन बाहर कर परियानी, राइट? So use करिले हम इस करि पारने, right? Then that will land into by parts. That means तमे जानि न कोन सेटा by parts उपळे होगी. Suppose तमे जानि न सॉल्व करियार by parts पळे आसी. For example, in trigonometry, you know sec square x integration, right? Sec square x integration, sec fourth x integration. एटा कोन करथले? Sec square x into sec square x करथले. आ तो डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला, राइट? tan x. एटा कोन करथले? 1 plus tan square x करथले. 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx, right? तो tan x टा पुट नहीं जाउथले. tan x टा पुट नहीं ले 1 plus t square dt मदर पळेला, राइट? सॉल्व कर दोथले. किंतु जदि if it is sec cube x, we cannot solve it. We cannot solve it using our previous knowledges. We land into by parts. We land into by parts. We'll split this. We'll split this sec x into sec square x. This is u, this is v. कहीं sec square x रा देखो एठे आइलेट काम दबनी एठे आइलेट काम दबनी एठे तमरो दिमाग काम दो कहीं ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री राइट तब स्प्लिट कलो sec x into sec square x कार इंटीग्रेशन तुम जानछो sec square x रा जार इंटीग्रेशन करते सेटा सेकंड फंक्शन होती सब बोले तो sec square x would be your v, right? Correct. First function sec x into integration of sec square x dx minus dy dx of sec x into integration of sec square x dx whole into dx. That is sec x into tan x minus dy dx of sec x into tan x into tan x dx. That is sec x into tan x minus sec x into tan square x minus one sec square x minus 1, right? Right? ध्यान दियो ये जहाँ करा उसे बहुत ध्यान से सुनो हला that is sec x into tan x minus sec cube x dx plus dx plus sec x dx, right? That is sec x into tan x minus sec cube x dx plus sec x integration ln sec x plus tan x, right? Right. करू करू आमे करू करू चलला बेलू एटा आउथरे पळेला करू करू चलला बेले एटा आउथरे पळेला तो मु कोन करी तो आउथरे आसिलो आसे मु तते आई स्टार्टिंग रु हिने जी तते आई स्टार्टिंग रु हिने जी जोटे तू आसु मु तते आई पके देबी. This is the technique to solve if second function is not given. Okay, that is sec x into tan x minus I plus ln sec x plus tan x. लिखी बनी ना इतनी वाला I नहीं थी ना इतनी वाला I नहीं थी ना माइनस इतनी लोग पढ़े इसला उतरे I नहीं करी पके दी I नहीं राइट तो I टाइप पर कौन करो फाइनली हमको कौन दरकार ये I रो वैल्यू दरकार राइट फाइनली हमको कौन दरकार ये I रो वैल्यू दरकार तो ये I टा जो एपड़ो हुलुलु जी एपड़ो भी ना राइट it implies I plus I is equal to sec x into tan x minus ln sec x plus tan x plus c. It implies I is equal to 2I is equal to sec x into tan x minus ln sec x plus tan x plus minus सब ठीक लिख तो गोटे हुला लिखिन दा माइनस कोड पड़ेगा हमको प्लस अच्छी राइट प्लस it implies I is equal to half sec x into 10x plus ln sec x plus 10x. Okay guys, this question may come in 1 mark also. This question may come in 1 mark also. What is the integration of sec qx? Formula is half of derivative of sec x plus integration of sec x. Half into divide dx of sec x, right, plus integration of sec x. So I am finishing today's class. Okay, so tomorrow is no class. Day after tomorrow is no class. Saturday, Sunday. Saturday is by part. Sunday is doubt clear. All the exercise. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
सर वेडनेसडे रे कोन एग्जाम करिए
କରିବି କହୁଥିଲି ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ମାନେ ଯିଏ ମତେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରୁଛି କରୁଛି ତା କଥା ମୁଁ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବି। ଯିଏ ପଚାରୁନି ମତେ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଫାଉଟ୍ ପଚାରୁନି ତା କଥା ଚିନ୍ତା ଏଇଥିରେ ସିଏ ବହୁତ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ପଢାଏ କଣ ଦରକାର। So I will take care of those students for extra classes and all, right? Those who are doing practices and asking me questions. I found five students, including boys and girls. So I will include them on my extra classes. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.